What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the messages notifications not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So first of all, tap and hold on the messages app, then tap on this information icon. Now here tap on force stop, and then from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And after force stopping the camera app, the messages notifications will start working. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration, scroll down and tap on do not disturb, and when this do not disturb button is turned on, you will not be able to receive any reminder for incoming call and notification. So to fix the messages notification issue, turn off do not disturb, and after that you will start receiving the notifications. So that's how you can fix the message notifications not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.